Hello, welcome to this Market Snapshot. My name is Jasper Lawler, the Senior Market Analyst here at LCG, coming to you fresh with a full-on head cold, so please bear with me. But what we're doing here is we're reacting to some Eurozone economic data that's just come out. Inflation in the Eurozone has picked up to 1.8% year over year. We've also seen growth pick up substantially as well. Why is this important? Well, because it all comes down to interest rates as per normal. And at the moment, the European Central Bank have a very accommodative policy. They're doing that until inflation reaches their target. That's their only mandate, is to get inflation nearby 2%. Well, 1.8% is obviously very close to their 2% target. So we're getting to the stage now where the ECB is meeting their inflation target. So why would they need this monetary policy, this very easy monetary policy, which has been boosting European stocks and sending the euro lower? Well, there's not as much need anymore. And so this is the beginning perhaps of a slight change in the way the markets are looking. We've been looking at a couple of levels here on the charts. I'm going to show you those now. So this is the chart for the Germany 30, our proxy for the DAX, obviously. Now, we were watching this level here just as the data was coming out, around this sort of 11,700, but slightly above, sort of 11,715 type area, because we were eyeing up this as a potential double bottom in the short term. Why were we looking for a reversal there in the first place? Well, if we just zoom out to a slightly higher time frame, we can see this consolidation area that we'd had in the DAX for a while. We broke out from that quite substantially. We're pulling back, so this resistance now turning into support, and we've seen a short-term double bottom potentially, suggesting that this support will in fact hold. But what's happened is this economic data has come out, the break has come to the top side, and now we're starting to roll over. Now we're seeing a similar situation with the euro. Typically what happens is that the euro will move in the opposite direction to the DAX. So here we've seen the euro break to the top side. Now, giving a little bit of context to this short-term range in the euro, this was a move yesterday in the market. It dropped substantially lower, but we took out this support, but it didn't gather any momentum after that to the downside and popped right back up to the top side. And so that's why we had this short-term range in the chart measured out for which way that breakout could continue. We suspected it could be to the top side. We've seen an open on a 1 hour candlestick above this range now. So from here, that's some vague confirmation that we could be pushing again to the upside. Again, because there's going to be less need for this accommodative monetary policy, which pushes the euro lower. Thus, the data should theoretically push euro to the top side. So that's it for our market snapshot today. We're analysing this Eurozone economic data. We've seen a bit of a pop to the euro to the top side, a slight false break on the DAX. We want to see how the price action materializes around these levels to get some basis for our trades going forward. Thanks for watching.